Hello student, this is Prakash and today you will study here the third lesson of your supplementary book, that is Vistas, and the name of the lesson is The Journey to the End of the Earth. It is written by Tishani Doshi, who is a poet, writer and dancer also. In this travelogue, she shares her experience of the journey to the Antarctica and what she found there. It is described here very well. For this travelogue, she traveled almost 100 hours through various means, by car, by air and by ship. She traveled toward the Antarctica through a Russian vessel. She tells here that the Antarctica has almost 90% ice of Earth. It is such a place which is full of tranquility and it receives austral summer light, that is 24-hour light for 6 months almost. After being there, she recalls the time when the Antarctica was the same landmass of Gondwana, in which India was also included, and later on it is separated from that place only. At that time it was not as cool as it is today. It was hot enough to have life there. She recalls the time when it was the extinction of dinosaurs and almost human being appeared on the earth. Then only it had a large variety of biodiversity, and now it has been almost 650 million years since human being appeared on the earth. And due to the ambitions of the human being, the carbon cycle has been disturbed and there has been a hole in the ozone layer, which is a protection for the earth. She thinks that if the depletion rate is at the same rate as it is now, then what will be the result of this earth? Will the diversity which is found there and throughout the earth will survive, or the result will be catastrophic? The burning of fossil fuel and other fuels has made the atmosphere very dirty and the carbon cycle has been disturbed now. She observes there a seal having sun bath on the ice and thought about the beauty of the place. But the deeds of the human being will affect that place also. It has been mentioned here, the little things will do many big things. For example, it has been given here that phytoplankton, which is microscopic shrub, and it balances the carbon cycle for the species which live there. So the lesson ends with such a message that we must have a few steps to overcome from this problem, because if we will not be aware at present time, then our future will be worst, and perhaps for our upcoming generation there would be no oxygen and they will get a scorched planet. So students, this is all about the lesson and hopefully you will have understood about the lesson. Read thoroughly to get more knowledge about it.